Hi, I'm Justin with Tampa Water Department. Today I want to talk about how the water cycle impacts our daily lives. The water cycle consists of 3 stages: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. So you may have heard of the water cycle before, but did you know that the water cycle is a closed system, which means there's no more water going in the system and no more water coming out of the system. It means it's essentially the same water we have is the same water these guys were drinking so many millions of years ago. What sets the whole cycle in motion is the sun. The sun heats the Earth's surface, causing water in the ocean to evaporate into the atmosphere. Now it does this on the order of about 80 Lake Michigans every year. But all that water vapor doesn't just stay in the atmosphere, it condenses, forming rain clouds. And when it comes over to Tampa, we get rain, and that rain finds its way into the Hillsborough River watershed. It will fill the river, it will find its way into storm drains, and it will seep into the ground, recharging our aquifer. After all that rain hits the Hillsborough River watershed, some of it collects right here in the Hillsborough River. This is where the Tampa Water Department comes in the water cycle. This is where the city of Tampa gets its water resources. There's a very important relationship that the water cycle illustrates for us between the health of the river and the health of the people that live in Tampa. A healthy river means healthy people. So, just to recap, there's 3 stages to the water cycle. You have evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. And just remember that water is the most precious resource that we have in Tampa. If you want to learn more about how to protect the river and conserve water, please visit our website.